Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Porsche Cayenne hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin of your vehicle, usually found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give this lever a firm pull to disengage the initial latch. You should hear a distinct click as the hood partially releases. Once you've done that, you can move to the front of your Cayenne for the next step. Now that the hood is slightly ajar, gently lift it a few inches to find the secondary safety latch. This latch is usually located in the center, just under the front edge of the hood. Depending on your model, you might need to push a small lever to the side or pull it upwards. Once you operate this secondary mechanism, the hood will be completely unlatched and ready to open fully. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood all the way up. Many Porsche Cayenne models feature a hydraulic strut system that holds the hood open automatically. However, if your vehicle has a manual support rod, locate it on the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Securely insert the end of the rod into the designated slot to keep the hood safely open while you work. When you are ready to close the hood, first remove the support rod if used and secure it back in its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it is about 12 inches above the engine bay. From this height, firmly press down on the center of the hood. You should hear two distinct clicks as both the primary and secondary latches engage, ensuring your hood is securely closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.